Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change Google Gmail address. Generally the Google Gmail address cannot be changed. However, we can open a new Gmail account and change and use the address by forwarding its address to your old Gmail. So keep watching and follow my steps. Open your any web browser like Google Chrome. First log into your Gmail account. Click on gear icon and open see all setting. Then click on forwarding and pop/imap. Click on add a forwarding address. Enter a new forwarding email address here. So now create new Gmail account with this right address which you want to change. New address is ready. Let's move to final step. Open your main Gmail account now. Here type your new created Gmail account address. Click on next. Then click on proceed. Now open new email and get the code and verify it. Copy the code and paste it to your main email. Then click verify. Now select this forward option. Then click on save change and you are done. Now all mail from your old Gmail ID will be automatically transferred to your new Gmail ID within 7 days. Now you can use this new Gmail account anywhere. And this old Gmail account will be automatically deleted after 2 to 3 months. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel.